A raised garden bed is a perfect way to have a little garden on your patio, deck, or on a small patch of lawn. Obviously, you'll want to adjust the size of your garden bed depending on the amount of space that you have available. But the plans from BuildYella.com are so easy to follow. And when you use YellaWood brand pressure-treated pine, you know it'll last. You'll need one 2x8x8, one 1x4x5, some 3-inch deck screws, some finish nails, and some landscape fabric. Cut 4 lengths of 2x8 at 24 inches for the sides, part A. You should be able to do this with a single 8-footer, which usually measures at least 96.5 inches, if not more. Drill pilot holes at both ends of the 2 side pieces where they will connect to the ends of the other 2 side pieces. We didn't use weatherproof glue because we wanted a weathered, curled look with somewhat loose joints, but if that isn't your preference, you can use glue. Connect the sides with 3-inch deck screws, keeping the outside faces flush with the ends. This is more easily done on a flat surface. Next, cut 8 corner trim pieces, part B, from 1x4 to a length of 7.5 inches. Place each piece at the corners so they overlap the corner joints of the box assembly according to the detailed drawing in the plans. Use 1.5-inch galvanized brads or finish nails to attach these to the box. Now you can attach a piece of landscape fabric to the edges that will eventually become the bottom. Use galvanized staples and let the fabric sag a bit so that it has room to settle once the weight of the planting mix is on it. Trim the edges of the fabric with a utility knife after you've driven all of your staples flush. Finally, you're ready to sand all the edges and surfaces to eliminate splinters before you apply a weatherproof finish. Then you can place it in the perfect spot, add the potting soil, plant it, and you're ready to tend your garden.